Good morning student. Today I am going to explain you lesson 11 and the name of lesson is Three Wise Old Women. Let's begin lesson with reading. Three wise old women were they, who went to walk on a winter day. One carried a basket to hold some berries. One carried a ladder to climb for cherries. The third, and she was the wisest one, carried a fan to keep off the sun. But they went so far and they went so fast. They quite forget their way at last. So one of the wise women cried in fright, "Suppose we should met a bear tonight. Suppose he should hit me and me and me." "What is to be done?" cried all the three. "Dear, dear," said one, "we will climb a tree. There out of the way of the bears we will be." But there wasn't a tree for miles around. They were too frightened to stay on the ground. So they climbed their ladder up to the top and sat there screaming, "We will drop, we will drop." But the wind was strong and wind could be and blew their ladders right out to sea. So the three wise women were all afloat in a leaky ladder instead of a boat, and every time the waves rolled in, of course, the poor thing were wet to the skin. Then they took their basket, the water to lake. They put up their fan instead of a sail. But what becomes of the wise women then? Whether they ever sailed home again? Whether they saw any bears or no? You must find out, for I don't know. So, just continue the lesson. Now I am explaining you the lesson. Three wise old women were they, who went to walk on a winter days. And these three old women, they were calling each other, were they, who went to walk on a winter day. And three wise old women went to walk on a winter day. Wise means intelligent. One carried a basket to hold some berries. Berries means jamun, fruits. One carried मतलब पकड़ना, basket, you know it, to hold some berries. They carried, one wise old man carried basket to hold some berries. मतलब वो तीन इंटेलिजेंट वुमेन थी. एक दिन उन्होंने वॉक विंटर के समय में वॉक के लिए बाहर घूमने गई. तो एक ने बास्केट में कुछ बेरीज रखा. वन कैरिड अ लैडर टू क्लाइंब फॉर चेरीज. एक ने क्या किया, लैडर बास्केट में कैरिड अ लैडर टू क्लाइंब फॉर चेरीज. चेरी के लिए चढ़ाई. लैडर मतलब सीढ़ी. सी दिस वुमन इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन द लैडर, जिससे हम खड़े हो सकते हैं. वन कैरिड अ लैडर टू क्लाइंब फॉर चेरीज मतलब लैडर लाई ताकि हम चेरीज को क्लाइंब कर सकें, चेरीज को पकड़ सकें, तोड़ सकें. द थर्ड एंड सी वॉज द वाइजेस्ट मैन. और जो तीसरी वाली वुमेन थी वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट थी. कैरिड अ फैन टू कीप ऑफ द सन. वो अपने हाथ में एक फैन रखी थी जिससे कि उसको धूप ना लगे, सन की रेज ना लगे. कैरिड अ फैन टू कीप ऑफ द सन, है ना, सन से अपने आप को ढक लेगी जिससे उसकी रोशनी उसके ऊपर नहीं पड़ेगी. बट दे वेंट सो फार एंड दे वेंट सो फास्ट. उन्होंने बात करते करते बहुत दूर तक चले गए थे और बहुत जल्दी वहाँ पर पहुँच गए. मतलब बात करते करते जल्दी जल्दी वो बहुत दूर निकल गए. दे क्वाइट फॉरगेट देयर वे एट लास्ट. और उन्होंने अपना रास्ता भूल गए क्योंकि वो उनको बात करते करते इतनी दूर चले गए थे कि उनको उनका घर का रास्ता वो भूल गए. दे वेंट सो फार एंड ड्यू टू दैट रीज़न they forget their way at last, and they went so fast. Due to that reason, they forget their way at last. So one of the wise women cried in fright, Cried मतलब रोना. Wise means intelligent. Fright means feeling of fear. Due to fear, one of the wise women cried, suppose we should meet a bear tonight. Suppose he should eat me and me and me. What is to be done? Cried all the trees. So, why one of the wise women cried in fright? Due to one of the wise women in fear he cried because he was thinking that he was thinking that in night suppose we met a bear, what will happen? She will that bear will eat me, and eat me. Due to that, all the three women they also started crying, and they were telling each one, dear, dear, said one, we will climb a tree. There out of the way of the bears we will be. We will be. But there wasn't a tree for miles around. They were too frightened to stay on the ground, so they climbed their ladder up to the top and sat there screaming, we will drop, we will drop. But the wind was strong and wind could be, and blew their ladder right out to sea. So the three of the women were crying. Why they were crying? Because one of the wise women said that if we met a bear at night, what will happen? He will eat us. So the three women started crying, and due to that, one of the women will climb up a tree, but there out of the way of the bears will be. Why he climbed up to the tree? Because he was thinking that if we climb to a tree, bear will not eat us. But there wasn't a tree for miles around. माइल्स मीन्स दूर दूर तक उनको कोई भी पेड़ नहीं दिखा. वह सोचने लगे कि उनमें से एक वाइज वुमेन रोने लगी, डर के मारे रोने लगी कि अगर हमको बियर मिल जाएगा तो वो हमको खा लेगा. तो तीनों के तीनों रोने लगे. तो उसमें से एक वुमेन ने कहा कि हम पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ जाएंगे, लेकिन पेड़ के ऊपर तो चढ़ तो जाएंगे, लेकिन दूर दूर तक उनको कोई भी पेड़ नहीं दिया. They were too frightened to stay on the ground. They were too frightened to stay on the ground. और वह नीचे, frightened means डरना. frightened means डरना. उन लोग जमीन में रहने के लिए डर रहे थे कि अगर वह जमीन में रह जाएंगे तो उनको बियर आके खा लेगा. So they climbed their ladder up to the top, and see here all the three women they climb up to the ladder, the top, and sat there screaming, we will drop, we will drop. Screaming means cry, shout loudly, and they were shouting loudly that we will drop, we will drop, we will drop. Why they were shouting we will drop? Because if the strong wind will come, what will happen? They blew their ladder right to sea, and so the three wise women were all float, and they all float on water, मतलब पानी में बह जाएंगे. In a leaky ladder instead of a boat. Ladder means सीढ़ी. इन अ लीकी लैडर इंस्टेड ऑफ, और वो बोट की जगह पे उन लोग क्या रखे थे? लैडर को पकड़े थे. एंड एवरी टाइम द वेव्स रोल्ड इन, और देखा है कि थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के बाद, मतलब हर समय क्या होता रहता है, समुद्र में वेव्स आते ही रहते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स द पुअर थिंग वेयर वेट टू द स्किन, और उनके स्किन को क्या करेंगे? गीला कर देंगे. देन दे टुक देयर बास्केट द वाटर टू लेक, वह अपने बास्केट को लेक के पास लेके गए. दे पुट अप देयर फैन इंस्टेड ऑफ अ सेल, और उसकी जगह पे, सेल की जगह पे क्या रख दिया उन्होंने? फैन. But what become of the wise women then? Then what happened to these three wise women? Whether they were ever sailed home again, whether they come back to their home, whether they saw any bears or no, whether they have saw any bears or not you must find out, for I don't know. You have to find out, and you have to know, and you have to think that whether they returned back to their home, whether they found any bear or not. This you have to find out, because I don't know about that. That completes the lesson, children. In next class I am going to explain you in short, and I'll tell you the difficult words meanings also.